We are in the Rivian R1S, beautiful interior. The one thing I don't like about this interior though is the wireless charging pad. You can see there's no grip, it kind of slides around. With the Rivian wireless charger, there's gonna be the divider, so it kind of holds the phone a little bit better, and it's gonna charge way faster. Now to install it, very easy. You see this little rubber grommet thing right here? You just pull it right out. Now I'm doing this with one hand, y'all. You're gonna see these 3 tabs right here. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna pull that towards the back, and then this whole unit will come out. This part comes out, and then you unplug the bottom. That's it. We're basically done. Now we put the new unit in. All right, so the Rivian R1S/1T wireless charging. If you have any issues, now the QR code, use your camera to watch it. It's very easy for the instructions to pull up. This is the Rivian's charger by Hansshow. They do come up with some accessories here too. We really didn't need to use any of these prying tools. I used my fingers, but look at that. You see that plug? It's that same plug that we just got rid of. But let me check out any accessories, because this one does come with a little adapter. Oh, there you go. Let's see if we need to use it. Nope, we don't need to use it. So we'll just use the existing cable. This might be for the R1t or something like that to have the right adapter, but it looks like it has the right harness here. So we're just gonna plug it in. Boom. We got some accent lighting. So now we do everything in reverse. There's these little tabs right here, and we're just gonna push it in. Line up those tabs. Ooh. So right off the bat right now, let me tell you, right off the bat, I can tell this is not gonna slide as much, because this, where is it? Where is the rubber? So this material right here, very slick. It's rubber, but it's very slippery. This one, look at that. It's gonna hold the phone way better. And as you can see here, there's a little divider, which is gonna hold it even better. And then I need a phone. All right, so we have an iPhone. Boom. Now this is the XL model, charges it as you're expected. It's gonna charge way faster, and look at this. Now granted, this does have a phone case, but it encloses it perfectly. You're not gonna have that much, there's no slippage because of that lip. It's like made for iPhones, which is nice. So if you have an iPhone XL, the Plus models, this is gonna be great with it too. But even with any kind of movement, it's still charging, which is great. So even if I'm way up like that, it's still good too. Now, another feature that this has over the other, the stock one, is you have, now these aren't buttons or anything. Sorry, there's some dirt, but USB-C, Type-C, Type-C, Type-A. So you have 3 more charging ports, and you have this little gear icon. What this gear icon does is, check out this sick ambient lighting. Now this is actually very tasteful to me, because there's little dots, so it gives it a nice diffuse, even distribution in lines, because it's very well diffused. Look at that. You don't really, it's not annoying or cheap looking. Now the Rivian has ambient lighting down here too, so this is just gonna match the interior lighting to whatever you set it to. I think that white looked the classiest. And then there is it goes through like an RGB, red, blue, green. It kind of just fades in and out. And then you can have it kind of like just strobing, or you can have it a little dance party, like a rainbow. It's just cool to have options. I like this this very sleek white look. So yeah, that's it. If you guys were interested in this product, I'll leave a link down below. Now get rid of this OEM one. Not very good. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Also, here I have the iPhone 15 Pro, the Max, and no problem. And what's really funny is I have this case that's like an aftermarket case that's really thick right here, and has so many issues charging on my Tesla. It doesn't really work. Also my Integra Type S. because of this little lip. This one, the charger is so strong that it's able to charge, something that not even my Tesla and my Integra Typos can do. So Hansshow, you're killing it. Again, great stuff here. I love this little ambient light. It's so fun to play with.